In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate elements in Affinity Photo. We're going to isolate a subject from its background using a clean, non-destructive workflow so you can reposition it, edit it, or export it on its own later. Start with your image open in Affinity Photo. At the top of the interface, switch to Pixel View so you're working with pixel-based tools. Then choose the Selection Brush tool from the toolbar. This tool lets you paint a selection, which is perfect for quickly targeting the part of the image you want to separate. Before you begin, check the context toolbar. Set the mode to add so every stroke grows your selection, and enable options like snap to edges if you want Affinity Photo to help cling to clear boundaries. Adjust your brush size as you go. Use a larger brush for big areas and a smaller one to get into tight corners. Now paint over the subject you want to separate. Zoom in and take your time around hair, edges, or fine details. If the selection grabs too much, switch to subtract mode or hold the modifier shown in the toolbar to remove excess. For tricky edges, the Refine button can help smooth, feather, or improve edge detection. It's especially handy on soft transitions. Once your selection looks right, add a mask layer. Click Add Mask Layer in the Layers panel. Affinity Photo will create a mask based on your selection, revealing the chosen subject and hiding everything else. This approach is non-destructive, which means you can always tweak the mask later. If the wrong area is visible, simply invert the mask or adjust it by painting on the mask thumbnail with a soft black or white brush to hide or reveal more content. With the mask in place, your element is now separated. You can move it independently, apply adjustments, or place it into a new composition. That's all there is to it. Select with precision, add a mask, and enjoy a flexible, editable separation without permanently altering your original image.